Jim Malone here with Dallas Trading Floor. Well, the market has been kind of in a funk and a lot of things have been going down. The question is, how can we take advantage of this? Well, I'm looking around in the stocks today and I came across this great one called Rent-A-Center. It's in a downward trend. So here's how I am taking advantage of this this stock. I'm putting a bear call credit. Set up this bear call spread. Here's what I did today. I bought 3 contracts of the 45 February 18th expiry call, and then I simultaneously sold 3 contracts of the 40 call expiring on February 18th, the same date. I simultaneously did this. Now, by doing that, I got a net of $945 placed into my account. Now, I have a risk on this. If Rent-A-Center goes up to 45 and over, then I could potentially lose as much as $555. But if it stays below that number, I will gain I will keep the $945 that's already come into the account. The maximum return on this, of course, is 170% over the period, and this is a tremendous number. The break even on this is 43.15. So as long as the stock stays below 43.15, it's very likely that I will make the money on this. Now, the probability on this, the calculation of the probability at 38%, that's if the stock stays level, but I expect it to go down. So actually, the probability of success on this should be a little bit higher. Here's a look at the chart. As you can see, the trend of this is downward. The trend of this chart is downward. So we do expect it to move downward. Now, you can see there is where I put on this trade. So here is a heat map of the trade. Right now, it's down a little bit. It's at 44.60. Now, when we came into this, we came in a little bit higher, and it's already starting to drop. As it moves lower, you can see these numbers. These are the expected value if we closed at this point. So basically, as long as it's falling and it's staying, I will just keep the trade open, and then when it expires, I should be able to keep the $945 that I received today. The 200-day average is off by 18%, the 50-day by almost 5%, the 21-day 5% down, the 10-day 4% down. Basically, it has a relative strength of 26. That means that 74% of all the stocks in the market are doing better than this one. The year to date, and we're only in January, this is in 2 weeks, it's down 7%. And the weekly is down as well. So if this trend continues, we should be able to close this spread trade at a